welcome to another edition of What's Cooking at Carroll Lutheran Village. My name is Billy, and today we'll be making Reuben Hand Pies. Now, a hand pie is a small pie that could be either sweet or savory that's designed to be eaten by hand. The one we're making today will have a Reuben sandwich filling. So, our ingredients, we have chopped corned beef, shredded Swiss cheese, sauerkraut, caraway seeds, and beaten egg. So basically, all we're going to do is we have about a 7-inch pie dough, and we're going to put some of the filling in the center. So a little corned beef, a little bit of sauerkraut, and some of the shredded Swiss. Next, you'll just take one end, fold it over, and then crimp the edges. You just use your fingers and we're just trying to seal everything shut so when we bake it, everything stays in the hand pie. Finally, we're going to take a little bit of the egg wash, the brush the top, and sprinkle with a little caraway seed. And then this will go in the oven at 375 convection oven or about 425 conventional oven. Okay, now this is our finished hand pie. I'll be serving it with Thousand Island dipping sauce. And this will be available in the cafe and the bistro on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Thank you and enjoy.